In the heart of a city, where architecture meets innovation, the black industrial home emerges as a bold expression of modern living. Defined by raw materials, striking contrasts, and functional elegance, this design is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Industrial homes embrace the beauty of exposed steel, polished concrete, and dramatic black hues, offering a unique take on contemporary urban spaces. This fusion of rugged and refined elements creates an inviting yet powerful atmosphere, perfect for those who seek sophistication without sacrificing warmth. Black has long been a symbol of mystery, elegance, and strength, and in industrial home design, it takes center stage. The strategic use of black, whether in matte finishes, textured walls, or metal frameworks, adds depth and contrast, making each space feel grounded and purposeful. Unlike traditional industrial spaces that lean heavily on neutrals, black industrial homes introduce a bold dimension, elevating the aesthetic into something both edgy and timeless. When paired with natural light and warm materials, black becomes more than just a color. It transforms into an architectural statement. A defining feature of the industrial home style is its unapologetic use of raw materials. Exposed steel beams, reclaimed wood, and unfinished concrete create a sense of authenticity where every surface tells a story. The beauty of this approach lies in its imperfections: cracks in concrete, the texture of oxidized metal, or the grain of aged timber add character and depth. These materials are not only aesthetically compelling, but also durable and sustainable, making them a smart choice for long-lasting urban homes. One of the key principles of modern industrial home design is openness. High ceilings, large windows, and minimal partitions create an airy, expansive feel, making even compact urban spaces feel grand. The open concept layout allows for seamless transitions between living, dining, and kitchen areas, fostering both connection and creativity. This spatial philosophy is ideal for modern urban dwellers who appreciate flexibility and functionality. By maintaining a sense of openness, the black industrial home enhances its visual appeal while ensuring practicality in everyday living. lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the ambience of an industrial home. Bold pendant lights with metal finishes, vintage-inspired Edison bulbs, and sleek track lighting systems complement the rugged beauty of industrial interiors. To balance the dramatic black tones, strategic lighting placements help highlight textures and define spaces. The interplay between shadows and illumination enhances the home's modern appeal, ensuring that while the aesthetic remains bold, it never feels overwhelming. A well-lit industrial home brings out the beauty of its architectural elements while maintaining a warm, inviting atmosphere. Furniture in an industrial home is not just about function, it's about making a statement. Clean lines, sturdy materials, and minimalistic designs define the aesthetic. Think of leather sofas with metal accents, reclaimed wood tables, and steel-framed shelving units. The key is to strike a balance between rugged industrial charm and everyday comfort. Layering textures, soft rugs, plush cushions, and fabric upholstery helps soften the overall look, ensuring the home remains welcoming. Every piece serves a purpose, contributing to a space that feels curated yet effortlessly stylish. A black industrial home may exude strength and modernity, but balance is essential to keep it from feeling too stark or cold. The secret lies in contrast, introducing warm wood tones, soft textiles, and greenery to add depth and comfort. Wooden elements, such as flooring, cabinetry, or furniture, bring an organic warmth that softens the industrial edges. Similarly, indoor plants, weather-potted or hanging from steel structures, provide a refreshing contrast to the dark color palette. By thoughtfully layering materials and textures, the home feels not just bold, but also inviting and livable. The industrial aesthetic pairs seamlessly with minimalist design principles, creating a home that is both stylish and highly functional. In a black industrial home, every element has a purpose. There is no excess, only intentional design. Built-in storage, multifunctional furniture, and open shelving allow for a clutter-free environment that enhances the sense of spaciousness. This minimalist approach does not mean sacrificing personality. Instead, it encourages curated decor that tells a story. A few statement pieces, such as a sculptural chair, an abstract art piece, or a vintage industrial clock, can make all the difference in adding character to the space. Urban living often means limited outdoor space, but an industrial home can still embrace nature in creative ways. Floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass doors, and industrial-style metal frame partitions create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. A small courtyard, rooftop terrace, or even a balcony with raw metal railings can enhance the home's industrial appeal while providing a private retreat within the city. Outdoor furniture in black steel or weathered wood complements the design, allowing the industrial theme to flow effortlessly from the interior to the exterior. While industrial homes are known for their bold aesthetics, the true beauty lies in personalization. Every black industrial home can reflect the personality of its owner through unique decor choices, artwork, and collected pieces. Whether it's a gallery wall featuring black and white photography, a custom-built metal bookshelf, or a vintage industrial trunk repurposed as a coffee table, these elements add warmth and individuality. The key is to blend functionality with self-expression, ensuring that the home remains a true reflection of its inhabitants. Beyond its striking visuals, industrial design can also embrace sustainability. Repurposed materials, energy-efficient lighting, and durable construction techniques contribute to a more eco-conscious home. Many industrial homes integrate reclaimed wood, recycled metal, and locally sourced materials, reducing their environmental impact. Additionally, optimizing natural ventilation through large openings and cross breezes can minimize reliance on artificial cooling. A sustainable black industrial home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a home that is both forward-thinking and environmentally responsible. Urban environments demand homes that are efficient, stylish, and adaptable to modern lifestyles. A black industrial home embodies all these qualities, offering a timeless yet contemporary appeal. Its open spaces encourage social interaction, its raw materials ensure durability, and its bold design makes a lasting impression. For city dwellers seeking a home that balances edge with elegance, this architectural style presents an ideal solution. It embraces the spirit of urban life while providing a sanctuary of strength, comfort, and creativity. The black industrial home is more than a passing trend. It represents a shift toward intentional, stylish, and functional living. It celebrates bold design while remaining deeply connected to comfort and practicality. Whether you're drawn to its raw textures, its open layouts, or its striking use of black, this style offers endless possibilities for creating a home that stands out in the urban landscape. As architecture continues to evolve, the industrial aesthetic remains a timeless choice for those who appreciate innovation, elegance, and a touch of daring modernity.